We build high-resolution, low-cost color sensors that make it easy for interior designers, paint contractors, and homeowners to find the color of paint for renovations. Starting about a little over 3 years ago in an apartment with 1 or 2 people in the second bedroom and the living room, we now have close to 17 employees here at the McMaster Innovation Park, and we're growing as fast as we can. What we're doing now is we're building actually systems that go around our hardware to help people buy paint more efficiently, and we're shipping that out all over the world. It's really, really satisfying to see someone in Israel or someone in India or someone in China take a picture of themselves using our device, and on every single box it says proudly made in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. That's just really satisfying.